Okay, there are a number of things we can do at this point. Notice how there's transparent pixels here because we deleted the muck. Now, this muck that I called it is really the grout between these tiles. Grout on a wall or a floor, tiles on a wall or floor has grout in between the individual tiles. That's what that's called. So if we want to fill this with white, there's a number of ways we can do it, but I want you to learn how to use the channels, window channels, and it's best if you just put it with the layers. And then we're going to command click on this icon, not out here, right here. When I hold down command, I get that weird little symbol which says I'm going to make a selection. Then I can fill with black by hitting option delete, which is really weird, or command delete to fill with white. Conversely, it's under edit, fill. And I know it says shift F5, but it's option or command delete. And by delete, I mean the backspace key, PC people. The one, right above the shift and the two pipes. And so that, and now if I deselect, it's under Command D. It's select, deselect. You can see that now we have white here. Now, while we're here, let's go ahead and reselect that by holding down Command and clicking on this icon, which selects that, the grout. And then we can click on this white on the background color, and we could select a light color, one of these colors that's already here, and click OK, and then hit Command Delete. And we fill, if I hit Command D, we fill with that lighter color. Conversely, if I hold down Command and click on this, we can also fill with one of these darker colors. And click OK and Command Delete. And then Command D to deselect. And you see, you get all kinds of different starter files. And then in the History panel, Window, History, right here. And I've got it sitting right up here. Well, we got all our fills right here. What happens if we back up? And there's our white again, Command D. Now, the last thing I want to show you is right now, we've used the canvas size dialog box. What happens if we want a white line around the outside of this? Well, there we have to add, remember the grout is 2 pixels? We have to add 2 pixels to each side and to the top and bottom. I'm going to Command minus to zoom out a little bit. Canvas, image canvas size, Option Command C, right? Option Command C. So if I bring that up and we add 4 pixels left and right from the center, it's 802, tab 802. Click OK, 2 pixels all the way out. This time, let's select the pixels. That means these squares, because the grout, if I Command click here, it's only on this inside. It doesn't get the outside. So Command D to deselect. If I select the pixels, Command click. Now I've just got these little squares here. Shift Command I. Select inverse selection. Where is it? Right there. Inverse. Shift Command I. And I know this sounds like a lot and it's real confusing. Practice, practice, practice. You'll get this down. And then I want to hit the default colors so I can click on that or see the D, the letter D. I can either click right here on this black and white or I can just hit the letter D. And then I can hold down Command, Delete, and fill with white. Command D to deselect. And now I've got white on the outside and I've got white on the inside. And those are different ways. And of course, once again, you can select a different color and then do the same thing, Command click, Shift Command I, Command Delete, and Command D to deselect. And all of a sudden you have a different version of this. Option Command Z a couple times, Command D to deselect, and we're back to white. That's how you handle the grout in a number of different ways. You don't have to have this outside white, but it does give you different possibilities. These are all options that I want you to be aware of. We're going to come back and I'm going to show you one of the coolest options that was a real dope moment for me when I figured it out.